Hey everyone, welcome back to Conscious Guide. Have you ever felt the frustration of your Samsung monitor giving your MacBook the silent treatment? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're going to tackle this head on and get you back to work or play in no time. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get straight to it. First things first, let's check those cables and ports because sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Make sure you're using the right cables. For most newer MacBooks, you'll need a USB-C to HDMI or DisplayPort adapter. Double check that everything is snug and secure. Sometimes, just unplugging and replugging can do the trick. Trust me, it's like magic. Next, let's jump into your MacBook's settings. Head over to System Preferences and click on Displays. If your Samsung monitor isn't showing up, don't panic. We've got a few more tricks up our sleeve. Hold down the Option key and click the Detect Displays button. This can often nudge your Mac into recognizing your monitor. Think of it as giving your computer a gentle reminder that, hey, I'm here. Let's talk resolution and refresh rates. Sometimes, these settings just don't match up. Go into the Displays settings and tweak these until they align with your monitor's specifications. You'd be surprised how often this solves the issue. Firmware updates. Yep. Sometimes your monitor and Mac need a little software boost. Head to Samsung's official site, download the latest firmware for your monitor, and follow the instructions. Do the same for your Mac if needed. This can patch up any compatibility hiccups. If all else fails, it's time to reset the NVRAM and ZMC on your Mac. This clears out any settings that might be causing trouble. To reset NVRAM, shut down your Mac, turn it on, and immediately press and hold Command, Option, P, and R keys. Hold them until you hear the startup sound twice. For the ZMC reset, shut down your Mac, unplug it, wait 15 seconds, plug it back in, and turn it on. Voila! Are you on macOS Ventura or later? There's this nifty but sometimes pesky feature called USB restricted mode. Go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, and set Allow Accessories to Connect to Always. This might just do the trick if your monitor is still acting up. For those still having trouble, there are some great third-party apps like SwitchRes and Better Display that can help manage your display settings more effectively. These can be real lifesavers. And there you have it, folks. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you get your Samsung monitor and MacBook back on speaking terms. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any other solutions or questions. Thanks for watching Conscious Guide. Until next time, happy computing!